Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 5 Mathematics Olympiad. And in class 5 Mathematics Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? We are going to start a new chapter, that is perimeter and area. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes, so let's get started. Our first question, if the length and breadth of a rectangle are doubled, how does its perimeter change? Option A, tripled, B, doubled, C, halved, D, remains the same. So, as per the question, if the length and breadth of the rectangle are doubled, how does its perimeter change? Okay, so do you know what is the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle? Yes, the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so initially it was 2 into, if we take length as L, breadth as B, so it will be 2 into L plus B. Okay, it is our first case. Coming to the second case, what is happening in the second case? We are double, means this length and breadth are doubled. That means in place of 2 we can write 2L, and in case of B we can write 2B, right? That means it is 2 into, if you take 2 as common, it will be 2 into L plus B, right? Initially it was 2 into L plus B. Now it is 2 into L plus B. That is equal to 2 into initial perimeter, right? Initial perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. So it is 2 into initial perimeter. That means now it is doubled. So the correct answer is option B, that is doubled. Okay. Coming to the next question. The area of a rectangle is 120 square meter and its breadth is 5 meter. Find its length. Option A, 204 meter, B, 24 meter, C, 28 meter, D, 26 meter. So in the question it is given the area of a rectangle is 120 square meter and its breadth is 5 meter. We have to find the length. And you all must be knowing what is the formula for area of a rectangle. Formula for area of a rectangle, it is length into breadth. Okay, so area that we know, that is 120, that is equal to length that we don't know, we need to find out the length, into breadth, that is 5 meter. So how to find out the length? So length equal to area divided by breadth, that is 120 by 5, that is equal to 24. Okay, what is the unit? The units are, in the area it is square meter, in the breadth it is meter. So in the case of length also it will be meter. So the correct answer is option B, that is 24 meter. Got it? Coming to the next question. The area of square is 144 square meter. What is the measure of its side? Option A, 13 meter, B, 14 meter, C, 12 meter, D, 11 meter. So in the question it is given the area of a square is 144 square meter. We have to measure its side. So what is the formula for area of a square? That is side into side. Okay, and here area is given 144, so it will be 12 into 12, right? So the side is equal to 12 meter, right? So that is correct answer, option C, that is 12 meter. Coming to the next question. The length of a rectangle is 6 by 5 of its breadth. If its perimeter is 132 meter, find its area. Option A, 1080 square meter, B, 640 square meter, C, 1620 square meter, D, 2160 square meter. So in the question it is given the length of a rectangle is 6 by 5 of its breadth. If its perimeter is 132 meter, find its area. So rectangle, yes, that is given the length that is 6 by 5 of the breadth. Okay, or we can say if length is 6 parts, then breadth is 5 parts. Okay, in this way also we can write it. So what is given? The perimeter of the rectangle, that is equal to 132 meter. And what is the formula for perimeter? That is 2 into length plus breadth, that is equal to 132 meter. So length plus breadth, that is equal to 132 divided by 2. Okay, so it will be 66. So for length, we know for length it is 6 parts, and for breadth it is 5 parts. Okay, so length plus breadth, that is 6 parts plus 5 parts is equal to 66. That means 11 parts is equal to 66. So 1 part, that is equal to 66 divided by 11, that is equal to 6 meter. Okay, now we have to find the area. How to find the area? First we need to find out the length and breadth. So length, it is equal to how much? 6 parts. So 1 part is 6 meters. 6 parts, 6 into 6, that is 36 meter. Okay, coming to breadth, breadth is 5 parts. 1 part 6 meter, 5 parts, 5 into 6, that is equal to 30 meter. So we have to find the area. Area equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 36 into 30. Okay, so 36 into 30, that is equal to 1080. Meter into meter, that is square meter, or we can write it as 1080 meter square. Got it? Yes. So correct answer is option A, that is 1080 square meter. Right? Coming to the next question. The side of a square tile is 10 centimeter. How many tiles can be fixed on one side of a wall which is 2.5 meter long and 2 meter high? Option A 100, B 400, C 5000, D 500. So in the question it is given the side of a square tile is 10 centimeter. How many tiles can be fixed on one side of a wall which is 2.5 meter long and 2 meter high? Okay, so what is the area of the wall which needs to be tiled? Right? Area of the wall that needs to be tiled, that is, what is the area of the wall? That will be length into height in this case. So 2.5 meter into 2 meter. Okay, so here see, it is in the meter, but the tile it is given in centimeter. So better we have to convert it into centimeter. Okay, so 2.5 meter equal to 2.5 into 100. Okay, into 2 meter, that is 2 into 100, that is equal to 50. Yes, sorry, 500, that is 2.5. Yes, it will be 50,000, right? So 50,000, it is the area, that is centimeter square, or we can write it as square centimeter. Next we need to find the area of the tile, right? So area of the tile, that is equal to, how to find area of the tile? It is a square, right? So area, that is side into side. So one side is 10 centimeter, that is 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter equal to 100 centimeter square, right? So what is the number of tiles required? The number of tiles required, it is equal to area of the wall that need to be tiled, that is 50,000 divided by area of the tile, that is 100. So it will be 500. So the correct answer is option D, that is 500. Got it? Coming to the next question. What is the amount of surface enclosed by a closed plane figure? Option A, area, B, perimeter, C, volume, D, circumference. So in the question it is given, what is the amount of surface enclosed by a closed plane figure? Suppose it is a closed plane figure, right? It is also a closed plane figure. It is also closed plane figure. So the amount of surface enclosed, we call it as area of that structure. Okay. So here the correct answer is option A, that is area. Coming to the next question, identify the solid figure with 6 square surfaces. Option A, a cuboid, B, a rectangle, C, a square, D, a cube. So we have to identify the solid figure with 6 square surface. So one square surface, okay, 6 square surface, so it will be a cube. You know, in the cube, the upper side and lower side, two surface, upper surface and lower surface, 4 sides are there, total 6 sides, and all are square surface, that means it is a cube. Okay, so correct answer is option D, that is the cube. Coming to the next question, find the volume of a cube whose age is 1 by 4 centimeter. Option A, 1 by 16 cubic centimeter, B, 1 by 32 cubic centimeter, C, 1 by 64 cubic centimeter, D, 1 by 28 cubic centimeter. So we have to find the volume of a cube whose age is 1 by 4 centimeter. Okay. So volume of cube. What is the formula for volume of a cube? Yes, that is side into side into side. So that is equal to 1 by 4 centimeter into 1 by 4 centimeter into 1 by 4 centimeter. That is equal to 1 by 64 cubic centimeter, or we can write it as 1 by 64 centimeter cube. Okay, we are multiplying 3 times, that's why in the power we are writing it as 3. So here the correct answer is option C, that is 1 by 64 cubic centimeter. Got it? Coming to the next question. A cuboid measuring 10 centimeter by 2.5 centimeter by 5 centimeter has the same volume as the cube. What is the measure of the age of the cube? Option A, 125 centimeter, B, 15 centimeter, C, 10 centimeter, D, 5 centimeter. So in the question it is given a cuboid measuring 10 centimeter by 2.5 centimeter by 5 centimeter has the same volume as the cube. So we have to find the measure of the age of the cube, right? So first we need to find the volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid, that is equal to 10 centimeter into 2.5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. So that is equal to 125 cubic centimeter, okay, or centimeter cube. And we know that the cube and cuboid, they are having the same volume. That means the volume of the cube, that is equal to 125 centimeter. And what is the volume of the cube formula? That is side into side into side. Okay, that is equal to 125. So here 5 into 5 into 5 equal to 125. That means we can say value of the side is equal to 5. And what about the unit? Everywhere centimeter is there, right? So we will put centimeter here also. So the correct answer, that is the measure of the age of the cube, means it is asking you about the side of the cube. Okay, or we can say the length of the cube, that is 5 centimeter, which is present in option D. Got it? Coming to the next question. The area of two faces of a cube is 72 square meter. What is the volume of the cube? Option A 216 square meter, B 625 square meter, C 64 square meter, D 265 square meter. Okay. So in the question it is given area of two faces of a cube is 72 square meter. We have to find the volume of the cube. Okay. So area of two faces of cube, that is equal to 72 square meter. Okay. So area of one face of cube, what will be it? It will be the half, that is 72 divided by 2 equal to 36 square meter, right? Next one is about the volume of the cube. So before finding the volume of the cube, we have to find the side of the cube, right? So area of the cube, that is side into side, that is equal to 36. So we know 6 into 6 equal to 36. That means we can say side is equal to value is 6. What is the unit? Everything is here. It is in meter. So we can write meter here. So side is 6 meter. But we have to find the volume of the cube. Okay. So volume of the cube, that is equal to side into side into side, 6 into 6 into 6, that is equal to 216. Okay. So 216, that is unit is meter cube. Yes, it is the volume, it is meter cube, or we can write is 216 cubic meter, right? So correct answer is 216, that is the cubic meter, right? Okay, so this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay, so meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.